Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be comparing the Roborock Dyad Pro and the Tineco Floor One S7 Pro. If you're interested in any of these cleaners, the links will be in the video description, so let's jump right in. First, we're going to talk about the similarities. Both models feature a cordless design for enhanced flexibility during use. Both products also serve as a wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop, providing comprehensive cleaning on multiple hard floors and surfaces. Each model is equipped with a digital display offering users information and control over the cleaning process. Both models incorporate a self-cleaning feature, facilitating easy and hands-free maintenance. Now let's talk about the differences. The Dyad Pro's DyadPower system addresses wet and dry messes with self-cleaning, hot air drying, and auto cleaning solution dispenser. In contrast, the S7 Pro utilizes a centrifugal drying process for efficient water removal from the roller brush and adjusts suction power with the iLoop sensor technology. The Dyad Pro emphasizes powerful cleaning and automation, while the S7 Pro prioritizes water removal and versatile cleaning as both a wet-dry vacuum and mop. The Dyad Pro has a unique design with multiple roller brushes that handle larger debris better, whereas the S7 Pro has a better LCD display with more advanced controls, as well as smooth power that propels the unit forward and backward depending on your own movement. The S7 Pro also features a nice LED light bar on the front of the unit, very helpful when cleaning in dimly lit environments, and definitely missed on the Dyad Pro. In conclusion, the Roborock Dyad Pro and the Tineco Floor One S7 Pro both offer cordless, wet-dry vacuum, and mopping, digital displays, and self-cleaning features. Yet they differ significantly. The Dyad Pro focuses on power cleaning and automation, including an auto cleaning solution dispenser, while the S7 Pro emphasizes efficient water removal, adaptable suction, and enhanced usability features like an LCD display and LED light bar. Your choice may depend on prioritizing powerful cleaning automation, that's the Dyad Pro, or efficient water removal and usability enhancements, that's the S7 Pro. Thanks for exploring these advanced cleaning solutions with me.